As darkness arrives sooner now, I embrace the tranquility of November evenings, savoring solitude and calm before the wave of holiday bustle descends. And I find solace in the soothing ritual of candlelit baking during these lengthened nights.
Where I had sometimes played chess. And when I'm out, I'm looking for that vintage fling. But all complexions that I adore, so hard to find, these seem impossible to score. So I dream on to someday find that vintage love. But everyone's such a bore. And out of a sudden, you came through the door. At the next table, your whiskey neat. The lights were dimmed as our eyes met, and you saw me. And forevermore, I like to share that vintage dream. La your eyes met and you saw me, and forevermore I like to share that vintage dream. And forevermore we're living in that vintage dream.
Late in the evening is my favorite time of day. It's my moment of solitude, when I can catch up on my reading while I enjoy a treat with warm tea. I've chosen a book that resonates with the theme of home, displacement, and belonging. The novel Salt Houses by Hala Alain. Salt Houses takes us on a journey through the lives of a Palestinian family scattered across the Middle East due to conflict. It's a powerful exploration of how individuals grapple with the idea of home when it's constantly changing. This story serves as a poignant reminder of the enduring impact of displacement and conflict. While I find solace in my cozy late autumn night, it makes me deeply grateful for the stability and safety we enjoy. The world can be a tumultuous place, and it's essential to acknowledge the privilege of safety and security we often take for granted. As I read about the struggles and experiences of those who live in conflict zones, it deepens my empathy for them. It's essential to carry empathy in our hearts for those who are searching for a place to call home, enduring the challenges of being far from their roots. Gratitude for our safety and empathy for those in difficult situations. These are the sentiments that November inspires in me. It's a time to reflect, to learn, and to send positivity and hope to those who need it most. I encourage you to explore literature that widens our understanding of the world as well. It's a beautiful way to connect with humanity on a deeper level. Here are a few other books you may consider during this time. From Beirut to Jerusalem. This is a highly regarded book by American journalist and author Thomas L. Friedman. It offers a detailed and insightful perspective on the complex issues in the Middle East, with a particular focus on Lebanon and Israel. The book is a blend of personal anecdotes, historical analysis, and on-the-ground reporting. From Beirut to Jerusalem is often recommended for its thoughtful analysis and storytelling, making it a valuable resource for those interested in gaining a deeper understanding of the complexities of the Middle East, including the Israeli-Palestinian conflict. Fast Times in Palestine by Pamela J. Olson. Fast Times in Palestine is a captivating memoir that chronicles the author's experiences living in the West Bank and Gaza Strip. It's a personal journey of self-discovery, and it provides valuable insights into the lives of people in this complex region. Two more books that are considered quite reputable are The Lemon Tree, An Arab, a Jew, and The Heart of the Middle East by Sandy Tolan. It's a compelling account of the complex history and personal stories of people living in that region. And My Promised Land, The Triumph and Tragedy of Israel by Ari Shavit. This is a historical and personal account of the founding of Israel, combining personal stories with historical analysis. Whether we are sipping tea, taking a quiet nature walk, or losing ourselves in the pages of a compelling book, November encourages us to slow down, reflect, and find solace in life's small pleasures. Let's carry the spirit of gratitude and empathy with us, not just through November, but throughout the year. It's a gentle reminder that even in our cozy corners, we can make a positive impact on the world. Thank you for joining me on this journey of mindful living. I look forward to seeing you in our next adventure. Until then, stay cozy, live slow, and may your days be filled with peace and warmth.